Boy.
Bye.
Boy.
Boy. Boy. Hey guys, it's Nathan. Nathan Sonsel. And today, I'm showing you Daddy and Nathan.
Watch it again.
Yeah! More time.
Okay, one more time. One more time.